just wanted to give you some perspective on the citrus and how well it works. All I've done is free spray this area that I shot earlier. Now I'm using the rotary machine to activate it. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good.